Hello everyone, good morning or good evening, wherever you are. And welcome back to another Soul to Soul moment. I'm your host Sanya, and today I want to share something deeply personal but universal. A reminder that sometimes the most powerful shift begins with a question. So on August 5th, it will be exactly 1 year since I started going to the gym religiously. Not one on and off, not just when I feel like, but really with commitment, with sweat and with intention. And yet, something funny happened. For the first almost 10 months now, I was showing up, I was trying, but I wasn't really growing, not in the way I wanted. I didn't get results that I expected. Then one day something shifted, and I found courage to ask after many, many months of thinking just about that. And it was just one question. To a kind man at the gym who always seemed so peaceful, so calm, focused, and very generous with his knowledge, especially to share his knowledge. And I started asking him something about the training. And that teeny moment of bravery, it cracked something open. Because within the weeks, not months, I saw more progress than I had in all the time before. So before all this, or more than 10 months. You know the saying, knock and it shall be open unto you. And it's not just poetry, it's not just a spiritual law, it's not something that you read only in the Bible. We really have to ask for help, for guidance, for clarity, for love, for support. But many of us, especially the strong ones, the overachievers, the caregivers, we carry this idea that we should figure it out done. That some of us is thinking that asking is weakness, that not knowing is shameful, that it will make us less valuable. But here's what I learned. Asking is sacred. Asking is power. Asking is how energy flows. You gain the knowledge if you ask. You know, the most intelligent people are curious people, are people who are not shameful to ask. Because when you ask, you are allowing connection, honoring the other person's wisdom, and giving yourself permission to grow. And the universe, it listens. But it listens louder when we speak up. So today, I invite you to ask. Ask for what you need. Ask that person you admire how they got where they are. Ask a friend for support instead of hiding your tiredness, issues and challenges that you're facing between your walls. And ask yourself, what do I really need right now? And when you ask with heart, ask with curiosity, not fear, because you never know. The answer must and might unlock a version of you that you've been waiting to meet for so long. And here's the knocking. Here's the doors that swing wide open. And here's the 1 year of showing up for my body, for my soul, and finally for the courage to ask. Thank you for listening. If this touched you, share it with someone who might need a reminder. And you know, you're not alone. And you never have to be afraid to ask. Until next time, stay strong, stay soft, loving, and stay open.